Welcome back to the Elevate Fast API Survival Series. This is sheet 8, file uploads and forms, and the avocado has landed, right? A user uploaded a 12 gigabyte avocado, and your server is on fire. So what we'll do is we'll learn to survive big file uploads, how we could pass form inputs and stop your login page from melting, right? So the key takeaway, this sheet teaches you how to handle big file uploads safely, how to accept HTML form fields like username and password, and how to stream files efficiently without clogging your memory, right? Fast API, upload file, and form classes are battle tested for exactly this. And that's what we'll be building step by step, very easily. So let's get into it. So the first thing we want to do is we want to import the tools. So we say from FastAPI, we'll import FastAPI file, upload file, and we'll also do a form. So we'll use file and upload file to handle large file uploads and form to pass login and other form inputs, right? Next thing we'll do is we'll set up the app. So we have app is equal to FastAPI. Nothing new here. Just standard FastAPI setup, but you to type it as you see twice already in the series. We made typos with this, right? So it, it's so basic, yet it's you always make mistakes sometimes. Next up, we'll handle our file uploads. So you see at app.post, and we'll have our upload route. We'll define our upload file, upload file is equal to file, right? And then we'll just return that file name. And we'll return it. So this is a JSON, so we'll say file.file name. Right? And what we're doing is, boom, one line we telling FastAPI to expect form data with our file. So the upload file streams the file. No full memory loads, right? And file marks it as required. And we just return the file name to confirm we get it, right? So we use this pattern for avatars, documents, media, and yes, our giant guacamole bombs, right? You can handle those avocados now, right? And the next step we have to do is we need to accept the form inputs. Like if we have a login form, so you say at app.post /login, we define the login. We'll say username, and we'll do str, we'll do form, and we'll say password is equal to form, and we'll return user, return our user, username, return user, username. So what this route is doing, this route is actually accepting form fields, like from a regular HTML form, right? And in quick note, in real life, you'd kind of want to hash and validate the password. But this is a demo, so let's echo the username. So we should save this. See where we have the typo today. The UV1, main, to up, to reload. and we have invalid syntax. It's actually supposed to be equals, right? Username, the string is equal to the form. I think that's it. We should be good now. Let's check the browser and see what's going on. So of course, we won't say anything home. We have to go to docs, use Swagger UI, and we'll test the upload. So we'll go to test/upload and let's try it out. We choose our file to upload. And I'll just take a random file here. Execute. And we'll see the file name in our response body. Alright, so the file was streamed and processed. Next we'll test the login. We'll click post/login. Alright, and let's try it out. So username, we say user, and your password is avocado go, right? Because they love avocados, the mother of all avocados. Execute. And the form was passed and returned, and you see that with the response body. So this was some real world power moves, right? This same pattern powers login pages, admin dashboards, file sharing platforms, avatar uploads, resume builders, bug reporting tools with screenshots, you name it. Anywhere you deal with file inputs or form fields, this is the setup you'll be using. And today learn how to accept form fields using the form, handle file uploads with the upload file, stream big files without choking on the RAM, and combine both in real-world APIs. So this is sheet 8, and in order to handle file uploads like a pro, even if it's a 12 gigabyte avocado. Next up, we're doing sheet 9. You can grab all the sheets, the source code, the bonus content at ElevateFast.dev. And don't forget, the form apocalypse is real. Prepare accordingly for these giant avocados. Thanks for watching, guys. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I look forward to seeing you next time.